What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to OMNI Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, OMNI Academy offers 50+ free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. Omni Academy, your career transformation starts here and it starts free.
Welcome to this free WordPress workshop. Launch an online store today. Have you ever thought about selling products online but didn't know where to begin? Maybe you have a business, a startup idea, or even a hobby that you want to turn into income. The good news is that building an online store is no longer limited to developers or large companies. Today, anyone with the right guidance can create a professional e-commerce website without writing complicated code. Every day, millions of people shop online. Whether they are buying clothing, electronics, books, handmade products, digital downloads, groceries, or professional services, customers now expect businesses to have an online presence. In fact, many businesses generate a significant portion of their revenue through their websites rather than physical stores. But many beginners often ask questions like, how do I build my own website? Do I need coding skills? Which platform should I choose? How do I accept online payments? How can customers place orders? How much will it cost? The answer to most of these questions is WordPress. WordPress is the world's most popular website building platform, powering over 40% of websites across the internet. From personal blogs to multinational companies, WordPress is trusted because it is flexible, beginner-friendly, and highly customizable. When combined with WooCommerce, WordPress becomes a complete e-commerce platform capable of selling physical products, digital products, subscriptions, services, courses, bookings, and much more. The best part is that you don't need to be a software engineer or web developer. With the right tools and proper guidance, you can create a fully functional online store step by step. Whether you're planning to launch your own brand, sell products locally, start dropshipping, or offer digital services, WordPress provides everything you need to get started. This workshop has been designed especially for beginners, students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, business owners, marketers, and anyone interested in learning how professional online stores are created. Throughout this workshop, we'll simplify every concept so that even if you've never built a website before, you'll understand the complete process from start to finish. By the end of this session, you'll know how online stores work, what tools are required, how to customize your website, and how to prepare your business for online sales. So let's begin your journey into the world of WordPress and e-commerce. Before creating an online store, let's first understand what WordPress actually is. WordPress is an open-source content management system, commonly known as a CMS. Instead of writing thousands of lines of code, WordPress allows you to build websites using an easy dashboard where you can add pages, images, products, blog posts, and much more. Originally developed for blogging, WordPress has evolved into one of the most powerful website platforms available today. Businesses use WordPress for company websites, blogs, online stores, educational websites, portfolios, news portals, membership websites, booking systems, learning management systems. Its flexibility is what makes it so popular worldwide. Why choose WordPress for e-commerce? There are many website builders available today, but WordPress continues to dominate because of its advantages. It gives you complete ownership of your website. You can customize almost everything. Thousands of free and premium themes are available. More than 60,000 plugins extend website functionality. It supports SEO, marketing, blogging, payment gateways, inventory management, analytics, and much more. Most importantly, WordPress grows with your business. Whether you're selling 10 products or 10,000 products, WordPress can handle it. Understanding WooCommerce. A WordPress website becomes a powerful online store using WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free plugin that transforms a regular website into a professional e-commerce platform. It allows you to add products, manage categories, track inventory, accept payments, manage customer orders, offer discounts, generate invoices, handle shipping, create coupons, monitor sales reports. WooCommerce is trusted by millions of online businesses worldwide. Domain name and web hosting basics. Every website needs two important things: a domain name and web hosting. Your domain name is your website address. For example, yourstore.com, yourbrand.pk, yourshop.net. Hosting is the server where your website files are stored. Choosing reliable hosting ensures better website speed, security, backups, and uptime. We'll discuss what beginners should look for while selecting hosting providers and domain names. Installing WordPress. One of the easiest parts today is installing WordPress. Most hosting providers offer one-click installation. We'll explain how WordPress gets installed and how the admin dashboard works. You'll understand the structure of dashboard, posts, pages, media library, appearance, plugins, users, settings. Learning the dashboard makes managing your website much easier. Choosing the right theme. Your theme controls your website's design. We'll explore free themes, premium themes, responsive design, mobile optimization, fast-loading layouts, modern online store designs. A good theme improves customer experience and increases trust. Installing essential plugins. Plugins add powerful features to your website. We'll introduce useful plugins for SEO, security, backups, performance optimization, contact forms, image optimization, caching, analytics, marketing. Understanding plugins helps keep your website secure and efficient. Creating your online store. Now comes the exciting part. We'll learn how to build an online store step by step. You'll understand how to create product categories, add product images, write product descriptions, set prices, configure inventory, manage stock, create product variations, add downloadable products, organize collections. This forms the foundation of every successful e-commerce website. Payment gateway basics. Customers need secure payment options. We'll discuss payment gateway concepts including cash on delivery, bank transfers, credit and debit cards, digital wallets, online payment gateways. Security considerations. Choosing suitable payment methods for your target market is essential. Shipping and delivery settings. Shipping directly impacts customer satisfaction. We'll explain shipping zones, delivery charges, free shipping offers, local delivery, international shipping, shipping classes, order fulfillment basics. Understanding logistics helps create a better customer experience. Website security essentials. Security should never be ignored. We'll cover beginner-friendly security practices including strong passwords, website backups, SSL certificates, regular updates, secure login practices, malware protection. Protecting customer information is critical for every online business. Search engine optimization basics. A beautiful website means little if nobody can find it. We'll introduce SEO fundamentals including keywords, website structure, product optimization, meta titles, meta descriptions, image optimization, website speed, mobile-friendly design. SEO helps attract free visitors from search engines over time. Improving user experience. Successful online stores focus on customer experience. We'll discuss easy navigation, simple checkout process, professional product pages, fast loading speed, trust badges, customer reviews, clear call to action buttons, responsive mobile design. Small improvements often lead to higher conversions. Marketing your online store. Building the website is only the first step. Next comes attracting customers. We'll briefly introduce marketing channels such as Facebook marketing, Instagram shopping, Google search, Google ads, email marketing, WhatsApp business, content marketing, influencer marketing, search engine optimization. These channels help increase website traffic and sales. Common beginner mistakes. Many beginners make avoidable mistakes. We'll discuss mistakes like choosing poor hosting, ignoring backups, using too many plugins, weak passwords, poor product descriptions, slow website speed, not optimizing images, ignoring SEO, complicated navigation. Learning these early can save time and money. Who should attend this workshop? This workshop is ideal for students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, small business owners, retailers, home-based businesses, digital marketers, graphic designers, content creators, anyone planning to start an online business. Workshop summary. By the end of this workshop, you'll have a clear understanding of how WordPress powers websites and online stores. You'll understand the complete workflow, from choosing a domain and hosting, installing WordPress, setting up WooCommerce, selecting themes and plugins, adding products, configuring payments and shipping, improving security, optimizing for search engines, and preparing your store for customers. More importantly, you'll gain the confidence to start building your own online store and continue learning with a strong foundation. Today, you've learned the fundamentals of WordPress and discovered why it has become the world's leading platform for building websites and online stores. We've explored how an e-commerce website works, the role of domains and web hosting, and how WordPress and WooCommerce work together to create a complete online shopping experience. You've also gained an understanding of how to install WordPress, navigate the dashboard, choose the right themes and plugins, add and organize products, configure payment methods and shipping options, improve website security, optimize your store for search engines, and create a user-friendly shopping experience that encourages customers to buy. Beyond the technical aspects, we've discussed the importance of website performance, mobile responsiveness, customer trust, digital marketing, and the common mistakes that beginners should avoid when launching their first online store. These concepts form the foundation of a successful e-commerce business and will help you make informed decisions as you build your website. Most importantly, this workshop has shown you that creating an online store is no longer limited to experienced developers. With the right knowledge, planning, and consistent practice, anyone can build a professional online business using WordPress. Whether your goal is to sell your own products, start a dropshipping business, offer digital downloads, build websites for clients as a freelancer, or launch a full-scale e-commerce brand, you now have a solid understanding of where to begin and what steps to follow. This workshop is your starting point. Continue practicing what you've learned, explore WordPress further, and keep building your skills. Every successful online store begins with a single step, and today you've taken that first step toward creating your own professional e-commerce website. Thank you for joining our free WordPress workshop, Launch an Online Store Today. We hope this session has given you the confidence to take your first steps toward building your own professional e-commerce website. Remember, every successful online business starts with learning the fundamentals and putting them into practice. If you enjoyed this workshop and want to take your skills to the next level, we have a special offer just for workshop participants. Get an exclusive 20% discount on our comprehensive WordPress and WooCommerce professional training program when you enroll within 7 days of attending this workshop. In the complete training program, you'll learn: build fully functional business and e-commerce websites from scratch, master WooCommerce customization and advanced store management, work with premium themes and professional page builders, configure payment gateways, shipping, taxes, and order management, improve website speed, security, and SEO, create responsive, mobile-friendly websites, launch real-world projects to strengthen your portfolio, receive a course completion certificate and career guidance. Whether you want to become a freelance WordPress developer, launch your own online store, or build websites for clients, this advanced training is designed to help you achieve your goals. Don't miss this limited time 20% discount. Contact OMNI Academy today to reserve your seat, continue your learning journey, and start building websites that make an impact. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our complete WordPress professional training program.